Good morning, everyone. Today, once again, another story from my student. When I was in Calcutta, I was studying in University of Jadavpur University. May you heard this name or not, I don't know. It is a home university. I used to live in a hostel, girls hostel, ladies hostel, and there different parts of the country, even outside of country, lots of students used to come here for a study, for pursuing their degrees. And there are lots of memory I have. And some are funny, some I have learned from the different peoples, and there are different, means you can say that it is a mini India, where from every parts of India there are different students used to live together also. And one story, it is coming in my mind, I want to share this story. This girl was from Nagaland, and oh my god, maybe this is a big insect I am showing. My goodness, I have seen this kind of caterpillar. Actually there above there is a tree, maybe it's fall from them. Oh my god, I'm shivering, means the goosebump is visible. The girl from Nagaland, she used to cook lots of soup, and these are the very simple and tasty and little bit different from ours. So whatever the things is different from our culture, so I'm telling how to cook. They used to purchase some head of the fish, means ruhi or ruhu, what is the name of the fish, and katla. And that time one head of the fish was about 7 rupees. According this time it was genuine price, but now fish has, means maybe little bit more, 3, 4, 5, and they took little bigger saucepan. Okay, and we didn't have any kind of equipment like gas stoves, not like that, but secretly in every room there is a heater. Which runs by electricity. Actually it was not allowed by the authority, university rules, but still we had this kind of heater to cook something, because all the time, depending on the hostel, it is not possible. Sometimes we feel hungry and sometimes we need to make our food hot, so that's why we needed the heater. So what she has done, she purchased some fish head from the market and put a saucepan on one stove, means heater, and put little bit butter on it, and also put the head of the fish. It is not, she had put into the pan and stir for a little time, and also some garlic, onion and ginger with this, and then she poured lots of water, lots of water, and after that she slept. I was surprised, amazed that she put a bowl for a cooking of fish soup and she's sleeping, that maybe it will burn. But I asked her So sorry, I didn't ask anything. But when I after 2 hours she woke up and turned off this flame. Yes, turn off the switch. And I said that is it done? Is it not burned yet? Then no, it will take 2 hours. And after that they put some butter and something I forgot, means coriander or spring onion, this like this, and it was so delicious. She served me as well, and it is so delicious. I can't forget the taste of this soup. So that is how actually I learned from the different people. After that, this recipe is mine. Okay, because if I cook some soup, then maybe I don't use the fish head, but some other vegetables which you can add, sometimes can chicken, and you can make this kind of soup, and it is very easy to make. And we should appreciate everybody's culture, their different kind of food habits. And when I was staying in hostel, I have learned a lot from the hostel life. We should open-minded to observe other people's culture. Thank you so much for watching. See, lots of people are coming for a walk, right? So I can't talk anymore. But whatever I had to say, I said. Okay.